Hello guys, welcome to Star of Tech. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 7 best bargain buys in football history. Come on, let's go into the video. Before going to the video, smash the like button in this video and also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notification. Seventh player is Joe Hart. Joe Hart had an amazing career with both Man City and England. In 2006, he moved to Man City from Shrewsbury for only about 100k, which was a bargain at the time. And still, it was one of the biggest bargains in football history. After that, you all know it, he became a starter for England and he was in a team where they won the first ever Premier League title in 2011. He was there with Man City until 2018 and then moved to Burnley and now playing for Tottenham Hotspur. The sixth player we are going to be talking about is Sol Campbell. He had already featured in one of my last videos, that is the biggest trader video. The video link is in the description and also in the iCard. Please check it out. Now, he is the Youth Academy prospect from Spurs and almost captained them. In 2000, he joined Arsenal on a free contract, which is a controversial move still now. With Arsenal, he won 2 Premier League titles and also 2 FA Cup with them. He was in the main squad of Arsene Wenger's invincible season of Arsenal in 2004, became one of the best defenders in Premier League history. The fifth player is Jadon Sancho. Yeah, you might be wondering why he is in this list. He played for Manchester City until 2017, where he decided to move to Borussia Dortmund for about only 8 million, which was a bargain at the time. When I am recording this video, I think Manchester United has not signed him yet, but in the future, when you are watching this video, he might gone to Manchester United, which is still a bargain for Borussia Dortmund to capture him for only about 8 million. The fourth player we're going to be talking about is Andy Robertson. Did you know that Andy Robertson once played for Hull City? Yeah, he once did. He was relegated with Hull City in 2017. Then he was bought by Liverpool for only about 8 million, which is still a bargain. Now he is a Champions League winner with them and also he won the Premier League recently with them last year. Now the third player is Vincent Kompany. Vincent Kompany had joined Man City for about 6 million from Hamburg, which is the bargain of the century. Of course, he is third, but he might deserve the first part in this list too. Later, he became the best player, in fact, one of the best defenders in the Premier League history and also one of the best defenders to represent Man City. Now, let's move on to the second player. Petr Cech. Petr Cech had moved from Rennes to Chelsea for only about 7 million, which is still a bargain of the century. Now he is regarded as one of the best keepers in the Premier League history and also the best keeper in Chelsea's history. In his first season with Chelsea in 2004, he is a starter and he won the Golden Glove in his first season itself with 21 clean sheets. He also retained his Golden Glove in the next season, that is 2005-06 season, with Chelsea conceding only 22 times in that season and he also played only 34 games in that season. After that, he was the legend in football history and also he is one of the best players in Chelsea's history. The first player we're going to be talking about is Robert Lewandowski. He is involved in 2 of the best bargain transfers of the century. First, of course, he joined Bayern Munich in 2014 for a free transfer from Borussia Dortmund, which is still a crazy move. He is almost winning a Golden Boot in Bundesliga for fun. But before moving to Bayern Munich or Borussia Dortmund, in 2010, he could have gone to Blackburn Rovers. Did you know that? But a volcanic eruption stopped him from moving to Blackburn Rovers and then he decided to move to Borussia Dortmund for about a fee of about 4.6 million, which is also a bargain transfer. And then he of course became a top class football player after moving to both Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich. He won several trophies with both Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund, but of course, he was robbed of the Ballon d'Or for several times. Will he win the Ballon d'Or in the future? Comment on the comment box below. I think he will, maybe even next year. We might have included some of the biggest bargains like Azpilicueta to Chelsea or Ronaldo from Sporting to Manchester United or even Patrick Vieira to Arsenal. But if you want a part 2 of the video, smash the like button and we will do a part 2 of this bargain transfers in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button if you like the video, share it to your friends and subscribe to Star of Tech for more interesting videos. And also click the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.